Today I'm making a familiar American classic with a garden-grown twist. This is a Cobb salad, but I'm using some of the more unique tropical greens that I grow right here in my garden as part of the salad greens mix. One of my favorite ways to use lesser-known plants is to work them into recipes people already recognize and enjoy. The meal still feels familiar, but you're also using what you grow and naturally expanding your palate. For the greens in this salad, I follow a simple ratio that works really well. 1 part tropical greens to 2 parts lettuce. In my garden, I grow a lot of katuk, moringa, and sissoo spinach, and I rely on them heavily because they're some of the few greens that can handle my intense summer heat. These make up the tropical greens portion of the salad. If I have them on hand, I'll sometimes add other heat-loving greens like moringa or New Zealand spinach. Tropical greens tend to be far more nutrient-dense than lettuce. Katuk and moringa are especially high in plant-based protein and other important nutrients, while sissoo spinach has a crisp texture that holds up well in salads, similar to romaine lettuce. All of these greens have mild flavors, which makes them easy to blend into everyday meals. To prep the tropical greens, I strip the leaves off the tougher stems and discard them. We only need the fresh and tender leaves. I also harvested some fresh lettuce from my garden and chopped it into bite-sized pieces. Then I add all of the greens into a salad spinner, rinse them well with water, and give them a few spins to remove any excess moisture. Then I add all of the greens into a big salad bowl. Now let's make the ranch dressing because homemade dressing really takes the salad to the next level. This is a dill and garlic chive ranch made with fresh herbs that I harvested from my garden. In a bowl, add equal parts mayonnaise, sour cream, and buttermilk. Then add fresh chopped dill, parsley, and garlic chives. Season with onion powder, salt, and freshly cracked black pepper, then finish it off with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk everything together until smooth and creamy. This dressing is bright, herby, and fresh, and it pairs beautifully with both the tropical greens and the classic Cobb flavors. With the salad greens and ranch dressing prepped, it's time to add the toppings. I add thick cut bacon that's been cooked and diced, cooked chicken bites, crumbled blue cheese, diced cucumbers, thin sliced red onion, halved cherry tomatoes, diced fresh avocado, and for crunch, some roasted pepita seeds. This is what I had on hand today, but there are so many other toppings that go great on a Cobb salad. Lastly, drizzle the ranch dressing over the salad or serve it on the side. A chopped salad with lots of flavor is my favorite way to use tropical greens. You can find the full recipe with ingredient quantities and directions linked in the description. I also have seeds or plants for the tropical greens mentioned in this video if you want to try growing some in your own garden. Let me know in the comments what other ingredients you'd like to add to a Cobb salad. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.